Yes, button. Relax.
On July 12th, 2025, a routine traffic stop on Highway 19 was about to expose a legal loophole most drivers don't even know exists. A woman clocked at 117 miles per hour, and the law that was going to change everything about how this stop would end.
One 14, are you good for? 17. 17.
581. Copy, 10 minutes. Need your license?
Do you want to just stay here?
Let me get your license first, okay? So I'm off to your 8, by the way. I'm off to your 8, by the way. The reason I'm stopping you. You know how fast you're going there on 18? What's that? You know how fast? You want me to tell you how fast you're going? You're 117. 117. Why are you going so fast? Do me a favor, pull up into the Congo River parking lot there. Hey, can I get one more? Can I get one more? I'll be in the Congo River parking lot. Caroline, is it Caroline? How about I talk to you? You got shoes? What's this fucking? Relax. Can you take this off? How old are you? Yeah. Oh,
If I drop my phone.
you won't get all that stuff, okay? We'll walk over here, okay? The reason why you're handcuffed right now is that, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do
It's a
they
fast car.
Right. Do you know they use faster than you are, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor.
This is the detail most people miss. Under Florida's new law, hitting just 100 miles per hour or 50 over the limit isn't a ticket anymore. It's an automatic arrest. No warning, no discretion. Just numbers on a radar gun.
You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay?
Okay.
Alright? It's not a joke, okay? 117, you're passing that car. You're in the far left lane. It's better on that car at 117 miles an hour.
Sorry.
Just because you're having fun.
Alright, I understand. I'm sorry.
Okay?
Wait, why is he being arrested?
Oh, we'll get everything squared away, okay?
Oh, did they leave the car on?
What should I have? The keys in there?
I don't know.
Is it whose car are
I
they?
think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay.
Should be in there.
Alright, is there anything on you? Because I'm gonna have a female officer come search you.
Okay.
There's nothing on you.
No, I would prefer
Alright,
to have
so
my
who is that to
phone
you?
as that's my husband.
That's your husband. Alright, did he tell you to slow down or?
Yeah. Yeah, I
It's not-
understand. It's fast.
Okay, there's not a place to do it, right? If you wanted to go that fast, there's a racetrack for that kind of stuff. Okay?
Yeah, we know.
Because what you're doing is it's racing too, okay? It's considered racing. You're an exhibition of a speed, all right?
Sorry, I really wasn't aware. I literally never go fast.
All right, well, just hang tight.
Right.
We're
Wait, I
gonna
have a question.
What do
Why
you-
is he getting arrested?
Because everybody in the car for racing, it goes to jail, okay? I'm gonna go talk to him here in a second. But that's how it is. It doesn't matter. People can they be sitting on the side of the street watching racing. They can go to jail, okay?
But are we like actually going to jail, or is it like
Yes.
bond out type of situation?
No, you're going to jail, okay? Just hang tight. I'll come back and talk to you in a second. What's your name, boss?
Isaiah.
Did you know she was going that fast?
I wasn't looking at the speedometer. I can't see over it, but
Right.
it felt fast.
It felt fast, right?
Yeah.
Did you tell her to slow down at all, or did you want her to slow down?
I mean,
I get.
you know,
I understand.
I'm comfortable. You know, I'm not trying to.
No, you're just being detained right now, man. You have to understand that she was doing 117, okay? They just passed a new law. Anything over 100 miles per hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, is a misdemeanor now, okay?
Yeah.
They're not playing around, okay? She's your wife, you said?
Yeah.
All right. Is that your car too?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah.
Where were you guys headed to?
I was headed to pick up a car part. It was like a what do you call it? It was like a sticker for the badges. It was just like some, you know.
Is that where you're coming from?
No, I was coming from
You guys were coming home. You guys were going to go pick up some stickers or something.
yeah, some stickers for the car.
All right. Just take out. We'll be right back. Hey, Caroline. I'm just going to read you something real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions of your race. You can sign anytime. Exercise these rights. Not answering the questions or making any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained? Is it a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, like I explained to him, because you guys got dogs at home, and he's got a license, he's a registered, I'm gonna let him take the car home, okay? So he can take care of the dog, okay? You seem like a good person. I think you just made a bad choice today, okay? Like I said, they just passed this new law. They're not playing around with these speeds anymore, okay? Like I said, anything over 100 miles an hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, okay? You're looking at jail time, okay? So, I gotta do some paperwork. You're gonna get a citation for me. I'm not gonna do the racing statute. I'm just gonna do the dangerous speed statute, okay? The 1 over 100 miles per hour, 50 miles above the posted speed limit. If I decided to do the racing charge, I could take both of you to jail, okay? But I'm not doing that, alright?
Notice what just happened here. The officer had every legal right to charge both of them with racing a felony that could have sent her husband to jail too. Instead, he chose leniency. That decision right there is the real story.
Hopefully this will be your last one, alright? Alright?
Step out for me. Shadow's handcuffs. Yep. Face that way. Okay, once I get Shadow this one, I want you to put this hand on top of your head for me, okay? Put it on top of your head. There you go. Alright, you can relax. Come on over here. Alright, just right here. Hang tight right here for a second.
I'm not trying to be rude. I don't understand.
Okay, because if the officer wanted to, or if I wanted to, I could charge you with racing. Okay? Being a passenger in a car, that's racing. Exhibition of speed of the vehicle, which you can go to jail too. Okay? That kind of behavior is not acceptable at all. You want to race, go to the tracks. Okay? You want to have fun doing 117 miles an hour on 19, go to the tracks. Okay? You hit somebody out here doing that, kill somebody, hurt somebody severely, just a good part of your life is going to be gone. You understand? Okay. Your wife wants to speak with you. I'm going to ask this officer if it's okay. And if that's okay, then, you know, we'll bring you up to the window and let you speak to her real quick. Right. We're going to let you take the car.
Alright.
Do you know, like, what's happening? Like, what's gonna happen?
Do you?
Yeah.
So, like, am I, like, sleeping there?
You may have a bond. Okay. Just depends. But I don't know if you've been in trouble before, any kind of criminal history, anything like that. Just on display, but they'll tell you what your bond is over there. Okay, it's probably a small bond, somewhere around $500
Do you
or
know,
so.
like, where it is? Is it the...
Yep, 49th Street. All right. So what happened is I wrote down his number for you because your phone was completely dead. Once you're able to, you'll be able to make your phone call from the jail, and you can make your arrangements on how you're going to get out and how you're going to get picked up and whatnot. Okay. All right.
Can I get a kiss?
Nope. Unfortunately. There you go. That's what you go. I was gonna say. Just real low. Okay. All right.
Hi, how are you? Well, Officer Tabor Court Police Department. I'm here just to conduct your search, okay? Do you mind stepping out for me? Have you faced the vehicle and take a step away from the car? Widen your stance for me? Okay, perfect. Anything on your person I should know about? Regular bra, is that squat? Alright, I give everybody this discretion, okay, so don't take it personally. Anything on you at all whatsoever. Okay, any introduction of contraband into the jail is an additional felony, and I'll be happy to charge you with it if they find anything, so that's why we like to give everybody that heads up, okay? Alright, thanks.